How much money did I make as a real estate agent in Las Vegas in 2020? What's up, everybody? If you're just tuning into this channel for the first time, I just want to say welcome. I'm Chakits Krulsawat. So in today's episode, I'm sure by the thumbnail that you see here, basically you want to see exactly how much can you make as a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I get emails all the time, or people are just trying to get into the market and they want to see exactly, is it even feasible? Or for you nosy people out there just want to know exactly how much I make as a real estate agent, then this is the video for you. Now, I'm making this video not to gloat, to show you how much money I actually made. It's not about that. This video is really to inspire you, okay? If you put in the hard work, it can be done. So, like a bunch of other videos out there where they show you exactly how much they make, I'm just going to give it to you straight, okay? So that way you don't have to wait to the end of the video. I actually made $1,403,084.01. But here's the thing. It's not what you made. It's actually what you keep. So I'm going to break it down to you guys. So the Chakits Krulsawat PC, right, is an independent contractor that hangs its license with Simply Vegas. So that is my corporation. So the Chakits Krulsawat PC group, we did a total of 97 transactions. The total sales volume was $46,769,000. The total commissions from the sale was that $1.4 million in sales transactions. Now, keep in mind, there are also commission splits because I do have a team, obviously, right? So the total team payout was $500,000. So I literally netted $900,000. But wait, there's more, because the Chakits Krulsawat PC group, which I control that asset, like I said, we generated $900,000, but keep in mind, you got marketing expenses, you got W-2 employees, you got business expenses, you got to pay Uncle Sam, and also keep in mind, I'm married, so there it goes, half of my commission. Now, the other thing that I want you to understand, where I talked about W-2 employees, now I'm also a W-2 employee, right, under the Chakits Krulsawat PC. So this year, I made $86,000. However, you got to pay taxes. So I paid probably about $26,000 in taxes. So basically what I made this year as a licensed real estate agent was only $60,000. But wait, there's more. I'm married. So technically, I only made $30,000. Now, all this does not include all my total earnings throughout the year. I do have investment properties, I do have a media company, and I have other business endeavors. Now, if you guys want to know exactly how much I actually made on YouTube, and you guys want to see exactly how much I made, let me know in the comments below and I'll create another video on showing you how much I made on YouTube in 2020. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also give me a thumbs up too as well. Other than that, till next time, peace!